Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon S3 for featured datasets, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Amazon Web Services website at aws.amazon.com. Click on the Sign in to the console button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your AWS account email address in the first field. Click the Next button. Input your password in the designated field. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps, such as multi-factor authentication. After logging in, you will be directed to the AWS Management Console. In the search bar at the top of the page, type S3. Select S3 from the drop-down menu. You will now see the Amazon S3 dashboard. If this is your first time using S3, you may be greeted with a welcome message and a brief overview. To access your feature datasets, look for your existing S3 buckets listed on the dashboard. If you need to create a new bucket, click the Create Bucket button. Follow the prompts to configure your new bucket settings, including bucket name and region. Once your bucket is created, click on its name to enter it. Inside the bucket, you can upload your feature datasets by clicking the Upload button. Choose the files you want to upload from your local system. Optionally set permissions and properties as needed for your datasets. Click the Upload button to finalize the process. Your featured datasets should now be visible in the bucket. You can manage your datasets by selecting them and choosing additional actions as required. For further assistance, consult the AWS documentation or the support center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.